You know what's funny? Most people think AI video is all about clicking one button and hoping for the best. That's exactly why their videos look average. The difference between a beginner and someone getting impressive results with Meta AI isn't some hidden feature, it's the way they use it. Let me show you what actually matters. First, open Meta AI Video Generator and start a new project. You'll see a prompt box. Don't rush this part. If your prompt is lazy, your video will usually be lazy too. Instead of typing something like, "a man walking," try, "a confident entrepreneur walking through a modern office, cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, realistic camera movement, 4K." See the difference? You're telling the AI exactly what you want to see. Next, think like a movie director. What's the camera doing? Is it zooming in, tracking the subject, looking from above? Adding camera movement makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about style. If the tool lets you choose between realistic, animated, cinematic, or artistic looks, decide that before generating. Don't keep switching styles halfway through your project. You'll get much more consistent results. Here's another mistake I see all the time. People try to fit everything into one prompt. Don't. Generate one scene at a time. 10 great 5-second clips almost always look better than one messy 50-second clip. Now, after your first generation, don't download it immediately. Watch it carefully. Does the subject stay consistent? Are the hands weird? Does the camera move naturally? If something feels off, don't start over. Just rewrite one part of the prompt and generate again. Small changes often create dramatically better results. Another trick, keep every prompt that gives you a great result. Build your own prompt library. After a few weeks, you'll have ready-made prompts for product videos, social media ads, YouTube B-roll, client projects, and marketing content. That's exactly how professionals work. They don't reinvent everything every time. They reuse what already works. One last tip, don't judge Meta AI by your first generation. Almost nobody gets their best result on attempt number 1. The people creating amazing AI videos usually test multiple prompt variations, compare them side by side, and keep improving until the result looks right. That's where the real quality comes from. So here's my question for you. What's the first thing you're planning to create with Meta AI Video Generator? A YouTube video, a client ad, a product promo, or something completely different? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely like to see what everyone is building. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.